Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to the class today, and today we will discuss a completely new topic, simplification. As you can see, simplification. Let us have a brief review what we have done till now. We have started the chapter with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So these are the four basics operation which we do with the numerals, with the numbers, addition of the number, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now here in today's lesson, in simplification, we have to perform, if in case we have to perform all these operations together in the same problem. So there is just one problem given to us and we have to perform all the operations together. We have to add also, we have to multiply, we have to divide and we have to subtract also. So how we are going to do that? Is there any rule? So yes, in mathematics we have a rule for that also. And the simplest rule which is there is called Demas rule. This is called Demas rule, where if I say Demas rule, where D means division, that means divide. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. Addition and subtraction. So this Demas rule says that whenever there is any problem which consists of all the operations together, so if there are all the operations together in the same problem, so the rule says very first we will do division. After division we will perform the operation of multiplication. After multiplication we will do the addition, and at the last we will solve the term with subtraction. So this Demas rule, D-M-A-S, Demas rule is D stands for divide, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So I hope this is clear to you all. Let us move to the example now. Here as you can see that I have taken two examples. So we will solve these two examples one by one. So let's take the first one. So here first example, 21 divided by 7 plus 16 minus 5 multiplied by 3. So we have to do this first one, and here as you can see that we have all the four operations here. We have divide, we have to add, we have to subtract and we have to multiply. So if we do not have this rule, then we will get confused that which operation we have to perform. But yes, since we have a rule to solve these questions, so let us solve according to the rule. So according to the rule, very first thing what we have to do is the divide. So in the first step, you will divide the terms which has divide sign. So in the first step, you will only solve these two terms. So what is 21 divided by 7? What is 21 divided by 7? 21 divided by 7 will give you 3. Rest of the terms you will copy down as it is. Plus 16 minus 5 multiplied by 3. So in the first step, we will only divide the term and rest all the terms will be copied as it is. Now in the second step, so our division part is done. Coming to the second step. What is the second operation we can perform is multiplication. Do we have a multiplication? Yes. So now in the next step, we will multiply these two numbers. So rest of the digits will be copied as it is. So 3 plus 16 minus, what is 5 into 3? 5 3s are 15. So multiplication operation is done now. Coming to the next. After multiplication, what is the next one? Addition. So in the next step, we will add these two numbers. 3 plus 16. What is 3 plus 16? 19. And the minus 15. Yani ki rest of the term will be copied as it is. So now we are done with addition also. Now the last step which is left is the subtraction. So can you tell me 19 minus 15? Yes, the answer is 4. And this is our final answer for the given problem. So this is how you can solve the questions related to simplification. Now let us take one more example for better understanding. In the second part, it is being said that 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 and multiply by 3. So once again, we are here with the operations plus, divide, minus and multiply. But according to the rule, we will first of all perform the operation of division. First of all, we will do the division. So 16 plus, what is 8 divided by 4? Yes, the answer is 2. Minus 2 multiply by 3. So it is 16 plus 2 multiply by minus 2 into 3. So we have done operation in the first step, that is division. In the second step, we will perform the multiplication. So it is 16 plus 2, then minus, what is 2 into 3? 6. So in the second step, we have done the multiplication. In the third step, we will perform the operation of addition. So 16 plus 2, it is 18 minus 6. So addition is also done. At last, we will do the subtraction part. So 18 minus 6 gives you 12. So this is how you can use the rule of DEMAS to solve the problems which consist of all the 4 operations together in the same. I hope this topic is clear to all of you. Thank you for the lesson.